this session, we'll explore how to create a striking album cover through symmetry and mirrored compositions. Start with your portrait or object in the center. Duplicate the layer, flip it horizontally, and position both sides to form a symmetrical design. Add a variety of shapes, triangles, circles, or wave lines around the subject. Place them symmetrically to maintain balance. Use layer masks to blend the mirrored halves, ensuring no harsh seams remain. Introduce bold color blocks behind the subject using the rectangle tool. Experiment with strong palettes like red-black or blue-gold combinations. Add noise for a gritty texture. Finish with album title typography. Choose a sharp, modern font and position it either centrally or align bottom left for a contemporary look. Slight skewing or stretching adds extra visual interest.